everyone, and welcome to AMA Air This Week, your weekly look into the world of model aviation. Coming up today, I'm going to let you know how you can learn all the up-to-date information on the recently released FAA Advisory Circulars. You'll find out how much time you have left to apply for AMA's Takeoff and Grow grant, and how you can hear from one of the legends of the aeromodeling community, Hazel Sig-Hester. All that and more today on AMA Air This Week. Thanks for joining me here on AMA Air This Week, your weekly look into the world of model aviation. All of the stories you're going to hear about today can be found in your AMA This Week newsletter that comes right to your inbox. If you're not receiving AMA This Week, all you got to do is head on over to modelaircraft.org/newsletters/AMA This Week and subscribe there today. Well, last week the FAA released their latest advisory circulars, 9157C and 89-3. These outline the requirements for CBO recognition as well as the FRIA, or FAA Recognized Identification Area, application process. The AMA was the first organization to apply for CBO recognition following the release of these new requirements. And we're going to keep you informed once we receive word on our CBO application status from the FAA. As for the FRIA application process, it's not quite ready for recreational users yet. The AMA is going to apply on behalf of our clubs once the FAA begins accepting those applications. If you want to learn more about these advisory circulars, you can check out the discussion that was held last week with Government Affairs Director Tyler Dobbs, Executive Director Chad Boudreau, and AMA President Rich Hansen by visiting our Government Affairs blog or by visiting the link in the description of this episode. Does your club want to introduce model aviation to its youth, newcomers, friends, or neighbors? Or does your club want to receive local recognition and benefits for being active in your community? Well, then you want to check out AMA's Takeoff and Grow grant program. TAG grants provide up to $1,000 and other materials for your club to help host a model aviation event to introduce your community to our hobby. The deadline to apply is February the 1st, so head on over to modelaircraft.org to learn more and apply. A couple of weeks ago, Model Aviation Executive Editor Jay Smith traveled to Montezuma, Iowa to visit Sig Manufacturing and got the opportunity to talk to one of the company's founders and legend of the aeromodeling community, Hazel Sig-Hester. On the October edition of Model Aviation Live, Jay shared a portion of his interview with Hazel where she recounts how Sig got its start. You can hear from Hazel yourself by heading over to modelaviation.com/live. There's so much more for you to find in your copy of AMA This Week, including content tailored specifically for you based on your modeling interests. But if you're not yet subscribed to AMA This Week, you can head over to modelaircraft.org/newsletters/AMA This Week. There you can also check out past issues so you don't miss out on any of the awesome content. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.